Are you looking to start a profitable pepper farming business? Do you want to learn how to grow high-yield, high-quality peppers that sell like hotcakes? If yes, then you're in the right place. Peppers are one of the most in-demand crops worldwide, used in everything from fresh salads to spicy sauces. With the right techniques, you can turn pepper farming into a highly profitable business. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of growing peppers for commercial success. From choosing the best varieties to maximizing yield and selling for top dollar, you'll learn everything you need to build a thriving pepper business. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced farmer looking to scale up, stay tuned. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. The first step to success is choosing the right variety based on market demand. Some of the most profitable peppers include bell peppers, high demand in fresh markets and supermarkets; chili peppers, used for sauces, seasonings, and export; habanero and Scotch bonnet, popular in hot sauce and spice industries. Consider disease-resistant and high-yield varieties to maximize profits. Peppers thrive in well-drained, loamy soil with a pH between 5.5 and 7.0. Perform soil testing to check for nutrient levels and adjust accordingly. Prepare raised beds or ridges to prevent waterlogging. Add organic matter like compost or manure for better soil fertility. Start with nursery seedlings for better germination and growth. Transplant seedlings when they reach 4 to 6 inches tall after 4 to 6 weeks. Maintain a spacing of 40 to 50 centimeters between plants to allow airflow and reduce disease risks. Water immediately after transplanting to prevent shock. Peppers need consistent moisture but hate waterlogged soil. Drip irrigation is the best method. Water 2 to 3 times a week, depending on weather conditions. Use fertilizers rich in nitrogen for growth, phosphorus for roots, and potassium for fruiting. Apply organic fertilizers like chicken manure or compost tea for sustainable farming. Common pests include aphids, thrips, and fruit borers. Use neem oil or organic pesticides to control them. Watch out for diseases like blight, mosaic virus, and root rot. Practice crop rotation and use disease-resistant varieties. Always inspect plants regularly and remove infected ones immediately. Peppers are ready for harvest 60 to 90 days after transplanting, depending on the variety. Pick them when they reach full size and bright color: green, yellow, red, or orange. Use clean, sharp tools to avoid damaging plants. Handle carefully to maintain quality for higher market value. Sell directly to local markets, supermarkets, and restaurants for higher profits. Package attractively in clean baskets or boxes to attract buyers. Consider contract farming or exporting to reach bigger markets. Use social media and online platforms to find more customers and bulk buyers. And there you have it, the complete guide to growing peppers for commercial success. By following these steps, choosing the right variety, preparing your soil, using proper planting techniques, and applying the best marketing strategies, you can turn your pepper farm into a profitable agribusiness. Now, it's your turn. Are you ready to start your own pepper farm? Let me know in the comments below which type of pepper you'd like to grow. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to AgroSmart Hub, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest agribusiness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy farming!